9.3 is all about slope. Slope is known in a formula by the variable m. So if you ever see an m, that means the slope of a line. So if there's a positive slope, it means it is going up. A negative slope, it's going down. And zero slope means it neither goes up nor down. It's just a horizontal line. To find slope, my nephew colored in here a little bit. To find slope, you have to find two coordinates, or two order pairs. So in this example, there's a negative slope because we know it's going down, which means where it says equals m, you need to automatically put a negative sign there. Then we know the rise, so how far it goes up or down. In this case, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So your rise is a 4. However, it's going down, so it's a negative 4. So up here for rise, you'd put negative 4. And then your run is how far it goes over. So that's 1, 2, 3. So just a 3. Right there. So your rise is negative 4 and your run is 3, which means your slope, m, equals negative 4 over 3. And that's all you have to do to find slope. Let's do a positive one. So first we go for our rise. In this case, our rise goes from 0 all the way up to 5. So our rise is 5, so I can put that right there as a 5. And then our run goes over 6. Or, no it doesn't, it goes over 5. Sorry about that. So our run is also 5. In this case, if I have a 5 over 5, I can write it as something rather than a fraction. 5 goes into 5 one time. So our slope is 1. So every single box, it is going to hit corner to corner. So one corner, next corner. That's a corner, that's a corner. Because I could also go, my rise is 1 over 1. Rise 1 over 1. To be perfect stairs. In this one, again, it is a negative slope, so our rise is going to be negative, which means our slope is going to be negative. I'm just going to automatically put my negative sign there. And in this case, it goes down 1, 2, 3. So it goes down 3 over 1. Well, a negative 3 over 1 is also just a negative 3. So your slope is a negative 3. So your m equals your slope. If I am given just a line and I have to decide where the slope is, what you do is you find where it intersects at a corner or a point. So it intersects right here. Do you see how that goes straight through the middle of there? And then it intersects again right there. And then again right there. And again right there. Whoopsie. Right there on the line. It goes straight through those corners. So I'm going to choose the one that intersects right here. We know this is a negative slope because it is going down. Our rise goes down 2 over 3. So down 2 over 3, which means our slope literally just is a negative 2 over 3. Just like so. If I have to graph the points, let's go ahead and graph right here. So I have the coordinates -1, 6. I need to go left 1 because x goes first, up 6. So -1, 6. And then I have 1, 4. So right 1 because it's positive, up 4 because it's positive. Oops, didn't get that very well. And then you just draw your line. This one, your m, so your slope, goes down 2 over 2. So it is a negative slope, which means I need to write my negative sign. And if it goes down 2 over 2, -2 over 2, that's the same as saying it equals -1. Because 2 goes into 2 one time. And we know it's negative because it goes down. If I am given that my first coordinate is, let's do this one, 4, 2. So I go right 4, up 2. And it tells me my slope is 2/3. 2/3 is a positive slope. So your rise is on the top and your run is on the bottom. So you rise 2, run 3. So you go up 2 over 3. And then if you want to continue making the line on this side, you go down 2 over 3. Down 2 over 3. And then you just connect your dots to look like that. That is a positive slope because there wasn't a negative sign. If it's a negative slope, like this one, we have the coordinate order pair -1, 1. So we go left 1, up 1, and then we have a negative slope of 4. However, -4 is the same as saying 4 over 1. So the -4 is your rise, the 1 is how many you go over. So in this case, I go down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. On this side, I would then go over 1, 1, up 4, 1, 2, 3. Over 1, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then carefully draw my line. This one's very steep slope. To look just like that. These just say identify your slopes. So in this case, it's a positive, negative, because it's going down, negative because it's going down, 0 because it's straight across. It does not go up or down. On your lesson, you're going on page 366. I want you to do 1 through 12 today.